in this video, we shall be asking Rosie some questions concerning lockdown. Some 10 questions like that about lockdown.
Wow.
And if this is related to you, please do well to comment later in the comment box. So, Rosie, are you ready?
Why not?
So
I am ready. Of course,
Are you sure you are ready to hear?
fully ready. Just go on with your questions.
Number one now. How have you been coping with the isolation, like the lockdown?
Wow, my sister. How else you want me to cope with isolation and the lockdown of the thing? To start with, me, Rosie, I don't even understand what is going on. For Nsukka part of Enugu State where I dey, the thing not to get power like that. Yeah, it not to get me. But the only thing is that my business is badly affected. My business was locked down. Not be me, they locked down my business. Because this time around, you find out that everything that is moving on is food stuff. The only thing going on in this country, say you are the money you have gathered or the money you are going to gather is for food. For us when they sell clothes, even if you know shut down, your shop is already shut down because nobody go come patronize you for clothes. They know they chop clothes, you understand? So now we dey cope for lockdown.
Okay, can you tell us 5 top activities that keep you engaged?
Wow, my dear, television really helped me a lot.
Okay.
As I just watch television from my house, but you can't be say NEPA people no come they help matter. I don't know how then they drag everything. They say government they pay, say they give free NEPA. I don't know. All I know is say lights no come they help. No be say money they make you they fuel your gen every now and then they enjoy yourself. But at least the little NEPA when they can enjoy ourselves with television. That is number one. Secondly, now my children. So when we are together enjoying ourselves, telling stories, because our house has gone to school. You understand? So we learn all those things they're supposed to be learning in school. We are now learning it at home.
Can you tell us how many children you have?
My dear, I have 5 kids by God's grace.
And you dey good like they shine like
yeah, when shut down, don't shut me down for this country. No, it's one thing, my sister, I don't suffer. So, 2 points now my husband. My husband just surprise us every day. You know, even allow us to even notice the pains of all these stories where they talk about. The man just they try, so we just be okay. Then the first one, my dear, at times I will say, God, make I just the kind of sightseeing. One day, if you see, I tell you, say for Nsukka, people know today strong like that. People they still come out a little bit. You come and look, check if there is trouble. If there is, you go back inside. But that day, because there is a period where they say that market should open.
I'm sorry, my pikin just joined the lockdown question. So you ask us a question later.
Of course, you answer question about lockdown. Yeah.
No, this the one.
So, my dear, I tell you, say that sightseeing. So, from that faithful day, because at times they will say market should open, so that people will at least see where to buy food stuff and things and eat food. So, that period, I went to the market just to see what is happening, how the whole place has been locked down, the places that are affected also. So, onions people that came from Hausa, if you see rates, everybody, the onions start to offload at the main road like this. The security and the police, they chased everybody outside the market. Come and see race. Everybody running here with a scatter. I say, God, what is even going on? I don't even understand because I've never experienced this kind of situation in my life before. So all those sightseeing, at times I go here and there. If I notice there is danger, I will run back home and see. Then finally, the 5th one is chapel. Because this thing that to the extent of saying that the churches should lock down as well. Hey, this church that we are saying that even if there is trouble, where will our help come from? Is it not from God? You pray in this one, they say, sit inside your house and pray. I was even scared. So, but at times, as time goes on, they now open the chapel.
Yes.
At times I go to chapel. After praying with the Blessed Sacrament, at least I will get courage. You understand? And then follow the whole thing. That's it, oh my sister.
So, what has the lockdown made you do?
My business number one, because money means a lot. As a family what they have lost, and you know these are children.
Yes.
This is the time you impart knowledge in them, so that at least they will grow up with it. Now they are growing without much. If you don't have a house teacher, what will you do? You understand? All these things worries me a lot.
So, how many people have you had physical interactions? Concerning this lockdown where you're saying everybody there inside. I don't say your own, but everybody.
My dear, I never seen my sisters. I've not seen my brothers. I've not seen most of my friends. Most of them even traveled when they noticed the sign of this thing. No, maybe they felt it's going to be much to travel. My brothers and my sisters did not come home because all of us, we were thinking it's nothing much. You understand? So I've not seen them. Many people. I've not seen many people. My parents have not seen many people for a while. And you know now somebody will not even prepare and say, let me visit this person because everybody is busy.
So, how do you reach out to them? These people that you can't have physical
Of course, through telecommunication. Just through telecommunication. We communicate. Please, so how are you coping? I hope that side is safe. Of course, so it's safe, but we are dying of hunger. You know that kind of thing.
Yeah,
so that's just how.
So, any gainful activities or hobbies you have been able to discover meanwhile?
My dear, I really thank God for you too.
So, thank you.
I thank God for you too.
Yes, sir.
Because this, let me tell you, before now, I've never ever thought of joining the youth. I've not thought of it. But now, this lockdown made me sit down because it has been every now and then I keep traveling to Onitsha, traveling to Abuja, traveling here and there for my business, you know. But since they say sit at home, I now started thinking and started following the YouTubers and I said, God, so I can really do something else instead of sitting, doing nothing, as in looking for whom to say government is doing this, shutdown is doing this, corona is doing that, so I can be meaningful and be useful to myself. So I now said, what do I do? My dear, this YouTube of a thing that we joined hands together and started doing, is it not as a result of this lockdown?
Please.
So that's it, my friend, my sisters. I don't know.
Your number 7 question now. Your state of mind regarding this COVID-19 concern.
My dear, my state of mind, if you ask me, this question that you asked me like this is very critical to me, because the reason why it is critical to me is, believe me, I have always think that this COVID-19 of a thing, yes, it was real. It's real in foreign lands, but to me, in Africa, it is a politics, COVID politics. Do you understand? Yes, that is what I see it as. In Nigeria, it is COVID politics. And that is the reason why I am angry about the whole thing. Today, you hear the announcement of how many cases. Tomorrow is it discharged? Okay, those discharged, what drugs did you use to treat them? And notice that this thing has left the person, and then the person will be. Are you telling me the person has been discharged as a result that you cured the person? Yet you don't have cure for COVID-19. My country people, which kind of thing is this? I don't even know where to go to. Okay, now how many cases? Don't care. This thing is really spreading this and that. Okay, you go to one state, they will say 14 cases today, 2 cases discharged. Are they dead or they are being cured? We don't even get those results. Everything, the news, everything crying. I keep telling everybody, please pray, this is end time. That is what I feel.
So number 8 question. How long do you think you can cope with this isolation policy before you quit?
Oh my God.
How long do you think you can comply?
Before I do what?
Before you quit, like before
I get tired.
Before you do your own way, before you continue doing what you want to do.
My sister, forget that question. I'm already doing my own way. I said I'm already doing my own way. I said I don't open my shop. My shop has started being open. Online, I import my goods. I sample them because I cannot wait any longer. For the whole thing is getting out of hands because I have to
chop.
and also my
They say lockdown, no, they don't give anybody anything. So number 9.
Action.
How has lockdown affected your welfare, like your well-being?
my welfare.
Yes, at large.
Well, of course, it's because of this business that is not going. Business is not going, there is no money, no income. You understand? All I face is expenditure. No income, and it's really telling on me, seriously. So, I'm really...
So finally, tell us of you concerning this face mask of a thing.
Eh?
Yes.
Face mask?
Yes. Face mask.
You mean like this?
Yes, like this.
So you too?
I know they like
So people should be like this?
Yes, I know. I don't like it.
No, my dear. This face mask of 18 tire me. I am sick and tired of face mask. I'm putting it on. You see, I'm with it always. Anywhere I go, I'm with it. But I hate putting it on because at least when you see somebody you know on face mask, you will not recognize that person. Everybody will be like, there's what our people call a baba. Obviously, you see, and some people dramatize this thing in such a way that they will put eyeglass and they will put it on eyeglass. They will still come out.
Guys, sorry, don't they laugh anybody. But that's the reality.
At times you will wonder what people look like.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you know what baffles me much is that people sew their clothes. Like this your own style of Ankara.
Uniform.
They'll sew inside the clothes and then use the Ankara and do face
mask.
That is
Oh my God.
up and down too much. My dear, all these things to me they are drama.
In conclusion, guys, we have come to the end of this question for Rosie concerning lockdown. And also tell us how you feel about this lockdown, if this is also related to you, in our comment section. So guys, please subscribe and like if you see this interesting.
Yes.
See you in our next video.
Bye.
Love you.